to read reviews on Too Good To Go app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to read reviews on Too Good To Go app. So first of all you have to do is just come to your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Too Good To Go app, and after that just select the app. And when you scroll down on this page itself, you will be able to see all these options. Right below about the app section, where you will see the option called reviews, editor's choice, everyone, and other options. You just simply have to tap on reviews. Currently Too Good To Go app has 4.8 star rating, and it says that ratings are based on recent reviews from people in your region who can use the same type of device that you use. So just click on see all reviews, and it will take you to the page where you will be able to see all the reviews and ratings from the people. Most of the people have rated this app above 4 star. Some of them have rated it 1 star or 2 star according to their experiences. So you can go ahead and read the reviews over here and make a decision whether you want to use this app or not. So this is basically how you will be able to read reviews on Too Good To Go app quite easily. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.